This is how to train your pet to say, I want out. Okay, with Paco, I just talk to him, kitty kitty, and wiggle my fingers, kitty kitty kitty. And when he jumps up, I let him out. Good boy. Come on. Kitty 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 kitty. Good boy. There he goes. Bailey! Bailey! Okay, for Bailey. Bailey! Bailey! Come on. Up. Good boy. Girl. Good girl. Okay, for Bailey, when she wants out, I'm trying to teach her, come here, how to stretch at the door. Come on, Bailey, up. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.